Hey, Troy here. Welcome back to another review video. Today, we're going to talk about a product that can help you rank on the first page of Google and YouTube to get a ton of targeted visitors.
I know, you're probably wondering how much traffic you can get the minute you reach page 1 of Google and YouTube. Well, we're here to find out. Introducing Videly, the only software that can find untapped buyer keywords and get you top rankings with just the click of 3 buttons.
Videly is designed for anyone, regardless of experience and technical know-how, to rank on the first page in any niche.
Whether you're in e-commerce, local businesses, weight loss, or affiliate offers, Videly has got you covered. Creating videos nowadays is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and inside the member area. Videly shows you how you can create videos in 5 minutes or less using free online tools, even if you have no technical or design skills.
You can use those videos to get top rankings and drive visitors to your website or your Amazon or affiliate pages.
It is as easy as it gets.
Now let's talk about the features of Videly.
First, Videly finds untapped buyer keywords that you can target to get top rankings. It also shows you how difficult it is to rank for a keyword and how many searches it gets per month. With this information, you can choose the best keywords to target and get top rankings quickly. Second, Videly analyzes the top-ranking videos in your niche and shows you their title, description, and tags. You can use this information to create your video's title, description, and tags, which will help you rank higher. Third, Videly has a built-in video editor that allows you to create professional-looking videos in just a few clicks. You can add images, text, and music to your videos to make them more engaging and attractive to your audience. Lastly, Videly has a built-in ranking tracker that allows you to track your rankings for different keywords and see how well your videos are performing.
Overall, Videly is an excellent product that can help you rank on the first page of Google and get a ton of targeted visitors.
It is easy to use, and anyone can use it regardless of their experience and technical know-how. FAQ. How much does Videly cost? We cannot discuss pricing in this review video, but you can visit the website in the description to find out more about pricing. Is Videly easy to use? Yes, Videly is easy to use, and anyone can use it regardless of their experience and technical know-how. Can I use Videly for any niche? Yes, you can use Videly for any niche, whether it's e-commerce, local businesses, weight loss, or affiliate offers. So, if you want to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube and get a ton of targeted visitors, I highly recommend you check out Videly. Visit their website below to find out more and get started today.